This is easily the most fully equipped and carefully designed smart lock on the market. Right off the bat, August gives new meaning to the antiquation of ugly industrial hardware. The August smart lock embraces a modern, tasteful retrofit design, and it'll look great in almost every home without being too obtrusive. Of the many retrofit locks on the market, the August smart lock is also among the easiest to install. On a good day, it should take you less than 15 minutes to install. Also, the kit does an excellent job of walking you through the installation process, explaining the different lock hardware types that you'll encounter. Once it's installed, August app automatically picks up the slack and rapidly calibrates the lock, allowing you to set up your keychain by specifying who can access the smart lock and when. Need to unlock your front door to let a friend in or a service provider? The August smart lock will easily handle that. Simply send them a permanent or temporary key invitation directly to their cell. You'll also receive a notification once the invited parties have accessed your house. On its own, the August smart lock is strictly a Bluetooth system with a 15-foot range. However, for an extra cost, you can extend the range and features of the August smart lock to include the August Connect Wi-Fi bridge. The simple widget plugs into a nearby outlet, creating a connection between the lock and your smartphone. Currently, the August Connect Wi-Fi bridge supports Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, IFTTT, Nest, and Wink Hub. It also allows you to remotely control the locks via your phone. If you're looking for a retrofit smart lock that gives you the freedom to control your home security from anywhere, the August smart lock is a good option. It comes with a small, aesthetically pleasing profile, plus you don't need to replace your existing deadbolt, making it easy to install.